Hi guys!
Hi! Hi! What are you doing? Kayaking finally!
Go, yeah, we're in Croton.
How are you? Wait, Daddy, can you help me?
Yeah, 1 second. I said to wait.
Let's try to go under the bridge.
Daddy's got a few things he's trying to do right now.
Why are you so slow?
Don't worry about it. Is this okay? It's fine. So then when you do it, just, yeah, take your time.
I'm so wet.
So do it calmly. Okay, right, left, right, left. Oop, okay. Sorry, Daddy has to set his timer. 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Timer. 1 hour.
My underwear is wet.
It's okay, you brought a change of clothes, right? No. Is this okay? I don't even know if this is okay. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Yep.
I just said that.
You're gonna get wet a little bit. Yeah, but that's fine. My legs are wet.
I'm tired.
So take a break. Because you haven't swam in a while.
Go left, go left. We're gonna crash on you. Go left, 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 left.
Push.
Oh yeah, okay, ready?
Left. Don't look at me. Just I'll follow you. Okay. Take our time. There's no rush. We're not racing. This is supposed to be a relaxing sport where your underwear gets wet. Take a break. Let me do it.
Oh, here's a, this might be my favorite spot. Definitely not my favorite spot.
This is fun. My feet doesn't hurt. Because we're not using it. Oh, we are so cute. Penelope, I like your hat. Your party hat. Do you guys feel that this boat makes me want to ice pop? I want an ice pop. Penelope, help.
Why are you parallel to us?
I'm just going straight. Penelope is
What's wrong?
she's wet.
And just don't lose your arm.
Then I would just...
Oh, and the rowing team. I'm trying to get a picture of you guys. You guys so fast. Because it's wet and you're not happy. Wave. Hello. Yeah, relax, Pierce. I can take a picture of you. Smile, smile. Pierce is not looking. Relax. So close. You're not even gonna get to the bridge. Smile, guys. Look, cheese. Pierce. Oh, my legs. Weird. What is that? You're afraid of the weirdest things. How are you guys riding? Right. Left, right, left, right. You did? One, two. Daddy's butt's wet as tail.